HTML stands for Dash Hypertext Markup Language. The basic structural unit of an HTML document is called a dash element. HTML tags are enclosed in dash angle brackets. The dash element is used to create a hyperlink. A anchor element. The dash element is used to define the structure of a web page. HTML element. The dash element is used to define the document's title. Title element. Dash is used for creating a line break in HTML. BR element. The dash attribute specifies an image's alternative text. Alt attribute. The dash element is used for creating an unordered list. All unordered list element. To create an ordered list, you would use the dash element. All ordered list element. To add a comment in HTML, you use dash comment syntax. The dash element is used to define the main content of an HTML document. Body element. The dash element is used for defining the head section of an HTML document. Head element. HTML elements are often nested within each other, creating a dash structure. Hierarchical, nested structure. To create a hyperlink that opens in a new browser window, you can use the dash attribute. Target attribute. The dash element is used for defining the meta information about an HTML document. Meta element. The dash element is used to display a horizontal rule or line. HR element. The dash attribute specifies the character encoding for the HTML document. Charset attribute. To create a table in HTML, you use the dash element. Table element. The dash element is used for defining table rows. TR, table row element. Within a table, cells are defined using the dash element. TD, table data element. To create a form in HTML, you use the dash element. Form element. The dash attribute is used to define the type of input in an HTML form. Type attribute. To submit a form, you can use the dash element. Input element with type is equal to submit. Hope you enjoyed the content. Do share and subscribe for more such content.